Hi planner friends, this is Kathleen with Apricot Tree Planning, and I wanted to show you a super speedy plan with me that is a mock-up that I do in a Michael's Recollections planner with an Erin Condren formatted sticker kit. And this one is an Easter kit called He is Risen. It's religious in nature, and it is one that I offered last year, but I've done a little bit of revisions to it, adding in that pretty pink, and I think it turned out really lovely. I like the addition of that color. This kit is offered in the Erin Condren version, a Happy Planner version, in the Leafy Treetops vertical and horizontal. And I also have a TN version, which works really well in the Happy Planner Mini. But if you're like into bullet journaling, or you use like a B6 with inserts and stuff, it's a really nice size because it doesn't take up all the room, so that you still can have your planner be really functional but super pretty. So I hope that you enjoy this little quickie plan with me, and I hope you enjoy shopping for Easter kits because I'm super excited for all the spring things to come. Thank you so much for watching this little speedy quick demonstration, and I hope you have a great day.